Good morning. Let's look at the weather setup for Mount Isa, the 16th of December, 2025. This analysis was conducted at 11:43 Australian Eastern Standard Time. We've got surface temperatures currently at 37 degrees, heading to a top of 37. If you find this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather analysis. Starting this morning, we can see how the atmosphere is set up. There's decent energy in the atmosphere this morning, with 1925 joules per kilogram ready to fuel storms. Moisture levels are solid at 32 millimetres, feeding into potential storms. Winds are shifting with height at about 14.4 metres per second, which will organise any storms that develop. Cloud bases will sit higher, near 2,419 metres, giving us a sense of where the action will start. But here's where things get interesting. As the sun beats down through the day, that energy will ramp up dramatically, jumping to 1925 joules per kilogram. The atmosphere is uncapped today, meaning storms can develop freely once heating triggers convection. Expect peak instability between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. That's prime time for any storm development. Should storms organise, we'd be watching for the potential for giant hail over 5 centimetres and destructive wind gusts if storms organise. If storms develop, they'll likely be more scattered and disorganised. The hodograph shows relatively straight wind profiles without much turning. This suggests multicellular storms rather than supercells if anything develops. Remember, these are the ingredients, not the forecast. Always check the Bureau for official warnings. This atmospheric refractivity profile shows how radio waves bend through different layers of the atmosphere. It's critical for VHF and UHF propagation forecasting. When you see sharp gradients in the N profile, that's where radio ducting occurs, allowing signals to travel hundreds of kilometers beyond normal line of sight. These same stable layers also tell us where the atmosphere resists vertical motion, which matters for storm development, but the primary application here is understanding long-distance radio propagation conditions. Remember, this is just an analysis. Always check the Bureau of Meteorology for official warnings before making any decisions. This analysis is provided by Distant Curve Remote Area Telecommunications. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support continued severe weather coverage for remote Australia. Stay safe and stay weather aware out there.